Technology has played a crucial part in developing the modern world, from the development of the wheel to the most recent advances in artificial intelligence. Robotics, drone technology, AI, and coding are necessary for kids to mold them to young innovators. Therefore, schools must play an important role. ALODI Robotics set up AI and robotics lab with STEAM education to give the best coding, AI, robotics education, and drone technology with a curriculum from classes pre-KG to 12 aligned with various education boards. Our coding platform works on card coding, block-based programming, and Python programming, which helps our students to learn and develop a range of skills and helps them to program and make projects on robots, AI with ML and AR/VR environment. Our DIY kits provide a hands-on experience that enhances understanding, cultivates creativity, and develops critical thinking skills. We, through our training, provides limitless opportunities on new technologies with many innovating concepts and helping the children to bring those ideas into practicality. Our curriculum also includes drone technology, which help the students to get a chance to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of drones, unlocking their potential and exploring the future possibilities of drones. To make sure of students' successful learning journey, we either assign our teaching department to schools or train the school teachers through on-site or offline training program. As the new education policy stresses upon the importance of learning, coding, and other technologies, let's bring out the child's potential and help him or her to shape the future to become a successful innovator.